you've come up with a way of helping your digestion, and you've been doing it for years. Let's go and check it out in the kitchen and you can show me how.
Okay.
You're listening to the Poocast podcast with your hosts, Watts, Brown and Pickering.
Okay, this is an apple cider vinegar and lemon and turmeric drink that I have every morning. And I've already, for the exercise, I've already put the turmeric in. Mm-hmm. That's about a quarter of a teaspoon per glass, per person.
So, Jossie, you've been doing this for a while. What do you do to make it taste better?
Well, I find it okay as it is. I don't need to make it taste better. Sorry.
Well, show us what you do, and then everyone else will know as well. Okay, come on.
Okay.
What have you got in here? Turmeric?
Okay, that's turmeric. And I generally put that in first.
Mm-hmm.
I like to put a bit of honey with it.
Mm-hmm.
Not everyone likes the honey, but for me, I just put a little bit of a teaspoon or so.
Yeah.
Bit of a dab in it. But because honey can be a little, not always dissolve that quickly, I just add a little bit of hot water to it.
Okay.
Just to dissolve the honey.
Oh, the smells great in Jossie's kitchen in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay. And for those of us that don't have honey, I actually brought some stevia over because we talked about stevia in the news, and this is a natural plant stevia, and it's 200 times sweeter than sugar, so you need a smidge, so even a tip of a teaspoon.
Tip of a teaspoon?
Please. Tip. Yeah, not a whole one. There we go. Perfect.
Put that in for you?
Yep. It'll dissolve in cold water as well, which is easy. So what happens next?
Okay, so then some apple cider vinegar. And would you like to explain?
Oh, well, I love apple cider vinegar because I use it in my vinaigrettes and dressings and things like that. But I noticed you've got one that's looks a little cloudy, and some people might be frightened about that, but don't be frightened because that means it's got the mother. And we need to have a mother in all of the things that are really good for us. And the mother is what makes grapes turn into vinegar. So it's great. I love it. So a tablespoon of that. What happens next?
Then I put some lemon juice in.
Okay.
And I've already prepared some lemon juice here. Just
how much?
One lemon per glass.
Mm-hmm.
So that's money.
Yeah. So good for us. Yeah. Apparently good for the skin too.
Yeah.
I live in hope.
And that's quite concentrated at that level. So then we add some water to taste, whatever you prefer.
Yeah. And this is your daily ritual every morning. And what this does, I believe, is stimulate the digestive juices in your gut, which is good, which helps basically our system work on all the food that we eat afterwards. And we get the nutrients out of it rather than just go round and round and round and be horrible. Awesome.
Okay.
Thank you. So I'm going to pop a straw in. Apparently, if you have a straw, it's good. The vinegar goes over your tongue, not hitting your teeth. So let's give it a go.
Yeah. And the reason behind that is that the lemon juice can sometimes erode the enamel off your teeth if you want to.
Or the vinegar.
Or the vinegar too, if you're having it a lot. But
that's really good. So just before breakfast, or can you have it before other meals too?
It's best on an empty stomach first thing when you get up in the morning.
Okay, good, wonderful. Yeah. I like it. I can recommend it. Pity Brian hasn't got it. Thank you. That was delicious.
Yeah, I'll have a taste of that later.